Hey, Dan Henry here, founder of SoldOutCourses.com, and in this video, I am going to show you how to use your iPhone to create an unlimited amount of high-converting Facebook ads to sell your digital products or services. So real quick, before I show you how to do this, I just want you to see how effective and how well this is working for us. Again, my business is we sell information, we sell online courses and coaching, and as you can see here by these numbers, we're doing pretty well, okay? And we use this for the majority, we use this method for the majority of our ads. We either do a video ad like this with step-by-step content and value, or we do an image ad with copy and an image. And so what I'm about to show you is the method for image ads. All right, so let's get started. So the majority of our image ads that convert really well and do really well follow this exact method. And all it takes is an iPhone and really not much time. So first off, all you need is a regular image that you take on your phone of just a normal everyday event in your life, okay? Like for instance, this right here is me and my son in front of the Christmas tree that we just decorated. And ads that use basic, simple, non-professional images like this do the best. However, there is a little trick that we can use with our iPhones to really make this capture attention and do better. And this is what I do for every single ad. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we are going to hit edit. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit crop, okay? And we are gonna zoom in to where the majority of the image is the human element, faces. You want one of these boxes. You see these boxes right here? You want your face to, for the most part, take up one of these boxes, okay? If your face does not take up a full box like this, see how my face only takes up like a quarter box, then we find that the ads convert less. And the whole thing is that this image here is going to capture the attention of people scrolling on Facebook, and then they are going to read your copy and then opt in for, say, your webinar to sell your online course or whatever it is you're selling, okay? And so what I like to do is make sure that we are in one box. And then from there, I use a principle that most films use, Hollywood films and camera shots, is that you would not want to put your face dead center. You want to put your face on this line right here, okay? Slightly off center like that. And the reason that we do that is because it's called the golden ratio, and it just is more pleasing to the eye to have the subject slightly off axis like that, okay? It's just naturally better, okay? So at this point, I'm gonna now, I've cropped it how I want it. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I wanna use contrast to make the image pop. So I'm gonna hit this button right here, and I'm gonna start cycling through these pre-made filters. And the first one usually is the one I go to, the vivid one, because what it does is it makes all the colors pop. The green pops, I'm popping, the red shirt pops. And that's another thing, wear bright colored shirts, like be in front of things that have a lot of color. And then I'll move to this one. So this one's duller, this one's duller, it's too cool. Again, none of these are really popping out. But this one, like, look at the difference between that and that. If you saw a Facebook ad like that, but that really stands out, right? So now I'll hit done. And now what I have here is I have this image that's ready to go for my ads. I will then take this image and I will message it to my Slack where my media buyer is, or you know, just download it to my computer so that I can use this on an ad. And so just so you understand, the elements here that make this work are as follows, okay? Number one, normal photo, a normal photo that is not professional, that is just a normal everyday thing like this one right here. Of course, when you have babies and family and things like that, those do work really well as well. Or I also notice that when you're writing something on like an easel, people are curious what you're writing, so those work really well as well. Number 2, crop to enlarge faces, right? So crop to feature or enlarge faces. You want faces because that's what people relate to. They relate to faces, okay? And then number 3, put subject off center, right? Off center, okay? And then 4, use contrast filters, which are these things right here. And what that will do is that'll make it really, really pop out so that they notice it in their Facebook newsfeed and that they then read the copy. So listen, if you take this this method that I've shown you, I promise you that you will see an improvement in your ads performance, especially if you're selling things like online courses. And as well, if you got value out of this video, feel free to tag somebody or share this that needs to hear this information. If you want more help with your online course sales, or if you're thinking about creating an online course, you know, or you're a coach and you're looking to scale more and make more money and create a more passive business, if you're at all interested in the online course business and seeing how we do the numbers I showed you at the beginning of this video, you know, again, we do very, very well, very passively with an automated online course business. What I'd like to do is invite you to get more value from me. I have a 50-minute training. It's called How We Built a 7-Figure Online Course Business with Just One Evergreen Webinar. And in this training, I'm going to show you exactly how we built an online course quickly and made a good online course so that it really helped people, but also how we get sales for it on complete autopilot, how we use very simple Facebook ads to a very simple funnel, not a complicated one, very simple one, and we just go add, webinar, sale, add, webinar, sale, and what that process really, really looks like, and why you don't have to be like a crazy expert, like you don't have to have like a college degree, or you don't have to be a millionaire to sell your knowledge and your advice and your expertise. It's gonna be a real eye-opening training. So if you want to attend that training, click the link included with this video, enter your name and email, make sure you enter your proper email, because if you don't, you won't get the link to the training. We'll email it over, and then you can go ahead and watch it, and I know you'll get a lot of value out of it, all right? Once again, if you got value out of this video, feel free to tag, share. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. And I look forward to your success.